Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add bullet points in Excel text box. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the bullet point into text box. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the text box option. Then draw a text box on your worksheet. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then click right button and you can see here the bullet option. Now I am choose any bullet point. Now I am select this. You can increase the size of the text. Now we can see we add bullet point into text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.